Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Kat.
How old are you, Kat?
7
Look at these pictures, Kat, and tell me, what is it?
is skirt.
What is it?
Is tech tech suit.
Very good. What are they?
Jeans
They.
or jeans.
What are they?
Is a slipper.
What are they?
Is a sneaker.
They.
They are sneakers.
And what are they?
They are pajamas.
Look at mommy. Is mommy wearing pajamas? Is she wearing pajamas?
No, she doesn't.
No, she
Does
isn't.
isn't.
Is he wearing a tracksuit?
Yes, he isn't.
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
Is she wearing pajamas? Is she wearing pajamas?
No, she isn't.
Is she wearing pajamas?
Yes, she is.
Very good. Look at this and tell me, is it morning or night?
Morning.
What do you put on in the morning?
I put on yes, I put on my skirt and I go to school.
And what do you put on at night?
I put on my pajamas and I go to bed.
Very good. Look at this bedroom. Listen, point, and say, there's a book on the table next to Fifi. What color is it?
Orange.
There's a book under the bed next to Prickly. What color is it?
Yellow.
And one book is under the green chair. What color is it?
Red.
And there's one more book on the shelf next to the window. What color is it?
Blue.
Who is this?
Superhero.
What about him? A
Mm.
fairy or a pirate?
Parrot.
And
And a fairy.
who do you want to be?
I want to be a fairy.
What does a fairy have?
Fairy have a wand and a chair.
Good. What do you like to read?
I like a
I like to
fairy
read.
tale.
Very good. Bye bye.